see the difference in the two beamers.
Let's see.
They were side by side.
Yeah.
Green and that one. Evidently got pushed over there. This was a magnolia. And magnolias are the toughest of the southern trees. Thick, oily leaves, this big around.
Oh, if they're going back
Completely
in to
gone.
get